If you're heading out to the polls and everywhere else you're going today, because it started out cold.
It sure did. First time in nearly 8 months, by the way, that it's been this cold around here across the board. I see a lot of numbers in the upper 30s this morning. I expect to find daytime highs up over 70, and it should warm up quickly, probably after 9 o'clock. So from now till then, going to be real jackets required this morning. But as we get to the afternoon, we're talking numbers up over 70. And then once the sun sets tonight, a little before 7 o'clock, yeah, it's going to get awfully cold, awfully quick, and as that happens, those numbers drop quickly. And I think tomorrow morning it's going to be chilly again, but maybe not as cool as this morning. This one's likely going to be the coolest. Around the region, I see clear skies. We've got dry air in place. Those winds calm down. That's the perfect recipe for that cooling. That's why we're down to 38 at the airport in Tallahassee, at 37 in Thomasville, 37 in Valdosta. Look at these numbers. Down to 34 in Blakely. It's 34 in Homerville now. It was 36 a little while ago. We're at 37 at Camilla. We're at 39 at Quincy. Wakulla High School is checking in at 40 degrees this morning. If we have a breeze today, it's not going to be anywhere as noticeable as yesterday. It'll be mainly from the north and northeast. It will start to shift a little bit more tomorrow, turning a little bit more east, and by Thursday, Friday, they'll start turning a little bit more southeast. So that'll start to warm things up and bring in a little bit more moisture. We'll actually start to see some clouds, I think, tomorrow, and more so on Thursday and Friday. But the rain chances are going to stay close to zero for the next couple of days. This air is just simply too dry to talk about rain chances. It's going to have a whole lot of rain down through parts of Honduras and Nicaragua, where big bad Hurricane Eta is headed. It's a Category 4 storm, almost a Category 5. Winds up to 150 miles per hour. It's moving slowly to the west-southwest, and that's going to be one of the real issues with this one, moving really slowly. So it's going to bring a lot of rain to this part of the world. But a lot of the indications are it's going to start making that loop-de-loop back over the waters, and it could reform by maybe sometime Saturday or Sunday and start working towards Cuba. So there's going to be a lot to watch with this particular tropical system, but most of that is going to happen this weekend and beyond. So we'll certainly keep our eyes on it. For now, it's all about the rain and the wind and the awful weather they're going to have down that way. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast 10 to 20, seas 2 to 4 feet. We'll go with a light to moderate chop in the protected water. So still a little bit breezy out there for the boaters, less breezy on land. Low tides first up around 9:15 this morning. 30s and 40s. Sun comes up 6:54. Call it clear, call it cool. Bright and chilly works too. How about mid 70s in the warmest spots? A lot of us low 70s today. We could see some 72s and 73s out there. Low 40s tonight. I guess I wouldn't be surprised if there were a few upper 30s mixed in. Remember, that sun sets around 6 o'clock or a little before then, so by 7 it's going to be awfully chilly outside. And over the next couple of days, the really cool start to go away. The afternoon temperatures start to perk back up, and we're near the 50-80 split, I think, by Thursday, maybe right there on Friday too. Getting a little warmer this weekend, and maybe we introduce the chance for a few scattered showers, but it doesn't look like anybody's weekend plans are going to get washed away.